As a worker, when you come through the front gates of a shipyard, you're not in any immediate danger, but there are some potential hazards that you should be aware of. There are situational hazards in the immediate work area, including grinding, welding, burning. There can be open tanks, there can be overhead work. Most of these areas will be cordoned off with a rope or with barrier tape. There may be a sentry in place to guide you around those areas and keep you out of danger. There can be unseen dangers like the atmosphere inside tanks where there's oxygen, there's an oxygen deficiency. In those situations, you cannot enter the tank until they've been cleared by the safety department. If they can't clear them and provide you with that certificate, then you'll be fitted with an air-fed respirator. Some of the other hazards you'll see in a shipyard will include the products that you'll be asked to work with. Some of the liquids, such as paints, thinners, cleaners, industrial cleaners, those types of things can be very aggressive. They can cause everything from mild dermatitis to chronic respiratory problems. Anytime that you're asked to work with these, make sure that you've read and that you understand the WHMIS sheets that come with them, or the Transportation of Dangerous Goods, the TDD sheets. Any of these will tell you how to handle, how to store, how to use, and how to dispose of these products in a responsible and efficient manner. The other areas that you can get into trouble with are the systems that are on board ships or that are on land and attached to the ships for the maintenance activities. These will include charged lines such as air, steam, high pressure lines that are running between the ship and the shore. It can be fuel. All of those have to be treated with respect. You don't want to be stepping on them, pinching them, no abrasions, cutting into them or drilling into them. And if you do, you should notify your supervisor immediately or the shop that's responsible for them, and they can turn around and fix the problem. Those types of lines should be tied up out of the way or somehow secured so that they're not going to be an encumbrance to you when you're working. So the message here is kind of twofold. It's one of awareness, where you want to be aware of your work site and those people around you, the products around you that other people are using too, and of housekeeping. Make sure the work site is well looked after as far as clutter and rubbish being removed, and that you're going to go home safe at the end of every work day.